After turning on the tablet, first connect to Wi-Fi. Click Register. Enter name, country, province, city, address, working experience, age, phone number. Click Request. Then enter the verification code received on your mobile phone. Set login password. Confirm login password. Registration is complete. After registration, click the link. The binding of mobile phone number and tablet is completed. Then click Diagnostics. View Diagnostic menu. Click Service. Check out the Special Functions menu. Click Update. The program can be updated.